Alright, I'm just hooking this up to a battery, but it's going to do the same thing. So when you first turn your key on, you're going to get a red and green flash. That lets you know it's on. Green, red flash, excuse me. Alright, if you want to clear it out, you're going to hold the button and you're going to count 10 red blinks, and you're going to let off on the 10th red blink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let off. Okay, now we're in the reset mode. So we're gonna mash it again. It's gonna start flashing a red, green, and orange, and it's gonna repeat. It's gonna do a slow flash for each color, and we're gonna let off on orange. That's gonna clear it out and reset it. Let off. And then it gives you a confirmation blink to let you know that it worked. Okay. Now at this point it's reset, so you're ready to program it. So to get into programming mode, you're going to hold the button down and let off on the 5th red blink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. That's letting us know we're in the programming mode. First thing it's going to want is a positive or negative input. We're doing positive. You want to add back to the signal because reduction took away from it. So we're going to hold the button and let off on green for positive. Let off. Okay, so that means we're in positive mode. So now we're ready to input the 3-digit number for the percentage we're wanting to change it. In this case, we're going to do 25%, and it's a 3-digit setup. So you do 2, 5, and then 0 for your decimal. It's a one-place decimal setup. And to input a 0, you count 10 flashes for 0. So we're going to do 2 flashes, let off, 5 flashes, let off, and then 10 flashes, let off. And then it'll give us a confirmation, a solid orange for a second or two, and then it's going to go out. That lets us know it's completed. So first we're going to do 2. So you're going to hold the button down, let off on the second blink. 1, 2. Alright. Now it's ready for the second digit, which is going to be 5 in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let off. Now we're going to do 10 for 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let off. There's your confirmation. Alright, that's all there is to it. And if any point you mess up or something, you're going to have to clear it out and start over. And you're always going to do a positive input with a reduction. So when it was flashing, you're going to want a green flash when you're doing the digital, when you're doing the data input, the digit side of it. If it's doing red flashes, you're in negative mode, so you're going to have to clear it out and start over. And if you want there's a way to check what's programmed into it. You know, that way you can confirm it's programmed correctly. And the way you do that is you hold it down and let off on the second red flash when you're not in any other mode. So we're going to mash it and let off on the second, and it should flash 2 green flashes, a pause, 5 green flashes, a pause, and then a solid green. It's gonna light up solid green for a couple seconds. That's the 0 confirmation when you're just checking it. So let's see, make sure we got it programmed right. Should be 2, 5, and then a solid or a paused blink. So 1, 2, let off. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it should just get a long pause. Yep, there's your 0. So that's programmed for 250, 25%.